Hi everyone. Definitely an interesting week. First with the 2 hour delay earlier this week, and now you have your early dismissal. So anyway, here's your asynchronous lesson for today. Um, we're starting a new unit, momentum. So hopefully you were able to watch those Edpuzzle videos and have a basic understanding of momentum. The assignment that you're going to do is do worksheets 1 and 2 of the packet, and that is hopefully on Schoology by now. I just want to cover a couple of things in case you missed them in the video. So one, momentum is P. It's a symbol P for, I think it's the Greek or the Latin word Peter. Um, Basically means, something that is moving and it has a tendency to not want to change what it's doing. So kind of like Newton's first law, objects in motion stay in motion, objects at rest stay at rest. Um, unless forced to change. With momentum, we're only focused on objects moving though, because we see that in the equation. If velocity is 0, there is no momentum. Another way to look at momentum is inertia in motion, because that's what momentum really is a measure of. It's a resistance to change its type of motion. Um, in the first worksheet, it talks about impulse. So just like energy, there's a law of conservation of momentum. So momentum is just transferred from object to object. Um, if I could finish spelling motion, sorry. Um, and with energy, we transfer energy with work. With momentum, we transfer momentum with impulse. So impulse is a force, like a net force, times a time, and that can be equated to an object's change in momentum. So that's what that first worksheet kind of goes through and explains some different scenarios, as well as collisions. In some types of collisions, there's bouncing. That would be an elastic collision that was part of the video. And if there is no bouncing, it would be inelastic. Which some things happen with kinetic energy, depending on the type of um, collision you have. And that was introed as well in some of the videos. But worksheet 2 gives you some scenarios where you're looking at the momentum, maybe the momentum or the velocity is increasing by a certain factor, and we're just asked to, see what's going to happen kinetic energy wise as well. So um, again, your homework or classwork or asynchronous workout, depends on how you look at it, is going to be worksheets 1 and 2 of the momentum packet. There's solutions in Schoology. Feel free to refer to them. Just don't simply copy and paste just to get it done. Try and use it as something to follow along with, since we don't have live class. And I will see you guys next week now.